In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Minecraft for free on your Windows PC or laptop using the official Minecraft trial. The process is quick and easy, so just follow along. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Minecraft trial. From the search results, click on the official Minecraft website that offers the free trial for different devices. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the download section. Select Windows 10 11 and make sure you choose the Java Edition trial if that's the version you want to play. After the installer finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder. Locate the file and, if you'd like, move it to your desktop for easier access. Then double-click the installer to launch it. Accept the license agreement and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Let's Go to launch the Minecraft launcher. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you've already used that account to access Minecraft before, you can use it as normal. If you're trying the game for the first time and need a new account, simply create a new Microsoft account and sign in with it. Once you're logged into the launcher, select Java Edition from the top menu. The launcher will automatically download the required game files. When the download is complete, click Play and you'll be ready to enjoy the Minecraft trial on your PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.